Hello, this is Paul from Force Attack. In this lecture, I'm going to compare variation for more than one data set. Okay, here is the results we need. The larger the standard deviation or variance, the more variation. What is variation? Variation means variance, right? Or means the spread out. The more variation means the more spread out. When the data is more spread out, only the largest standard deviation or variance, right? So the opposite, if the standard deviation or variance is small, means what? It's not spread out, it's concentrated, or means stable, okay, of the data. It's stable or concentrate to the mean. Concentrate to the mean. In this case, is less variation. Okay, variation means standard deviation or variance. You just think about the variance. Now we have one question. Here, if we have two restaurants, we're going to compare the driving through service time, the waiting time. Okay, like the restaurant A, we get some example. The restaurant B, you get another example to put in this table. So the second is seconds. So like 120. I mean, and these customer has to wait 120 seconds, which means 2 minutes to get the service done. Right, this is the waiting time. And then how to compare? Okay, how to compare what? We need to compare the range. We need to compare the standard deviation. We need to compare the variance. The most important is to compare the variation. Remember, what does variation mean? Variation just means the variance, right? Okay. So up here, so the range first, one by one. What's the range for A? I need to find the maximum and the minimum, right? What's the maximum? So if we look at small data, is easy. This is the maximum. Okay, good. What the minimum? 60 something, 68, 67. So this is the minimum, right? Okay, good. So the range, how to find the range? Is the maximum the largest number minus the smallest number. So what do we get? So we get a 57. See, 57 seconds did the range for A. So the same. We're going to find the range for B. So how to find the range for B? Maximum 126. So this is the maximum. Okay, what the minimum? So 49 did the minimum data. Okay, in this case, the range is the maximum 106 minus the minimum 49. Do calculation, you get the 77 seconds. Okay, so the range does not make sense. Okay, so for the comparison, so standard deviation is important. Look at the standard deviation. Remember how to do. One variable stays in the calculator. Okay, I skip this step. Input the data, one variable stays, you will get the standard deviation. Get the same standard deviation for B is 26.98. See, and this standard deviation B has more standard deviation. Means what? More variation, right? From here we already see more variation for B. More variation means what? Is the data is not stable for restaurant B. More is more variance for B. Okay, more variant. The waiting time is more variant for B. Means what? The someone come to like wait 10 minutes. Sometimes someone come to and they just wait 1 minute. This means not stable variant. Okay, so how to find the variance? Remember the variance is the square of the standard deviation. So for the A is 22.23. 23, and then square, right? So this is the definition. I already get it. So what is this? Around 494. Okay, so did the variance for A. The same, I'm going to find the variance for B. Square of the standard deviation, 26.98 square. Okay, I already found it is around 730. So can you see this is a much more easier, right? 730 is much more bigger than 494. So this is a more variance. So can we see exactly this is what? So B is more variance. or more variant, okay, or more variation, for data. So B what? More variation for B. And these complete these questions. Thank you.